Hello everyone, it's True Detective time. I'm too old to play video games, but here's a computer chair I got. Why a computer chair from ASUS? Well, it's a great brand. I've got this monitor over here from the same brand. And what I notice is that the products from this brand are great, so I figured that I'm gonna get a chair from them. This one, the Destier Core. The construction of this chair is very sturdy. It weighed a lot. The box, when we got it home, it was heavy as shit. The chair features this breathable mesh type of fabric on it, so you won't get toasty like I did with the old DX Racer of mine that I sold. The price point of this, I would say it's higher than what you get with mid-range DX Racer chairs and this kind of stuff. But it's not the most expensive chair. There's a lot of adjustability over here. And for example, the arm rests, you can rotate, swivel, and you can change the depth of them. Same with the seat and with the backrest. There's also a headrest, and the great thing about it is that it's shaped so that it can be even used with a hat, like a fedora. A fedora. Yeah, it can be even used with the fedora. The construction of this, building a chair, it was a very simple process, and it took me about maybe 15 to 20 minutes to do it. Just be prepared for the weight of this thing when it comes shipped. The armrests, they have this soft type of plastic material. About those ergonomics, well, a chair is different for each and everybody, but this chair, it has very wide seat on it. So if you are a fat ass, it's going to be probably just great. The DX Racer chair, it had much narrower of a seat. I didn't like it because of that. With this one you have more freedom. I wonder why in the package they had that cancer warning. Reproductive harm. Well, probably because if you are this type of a gamer, you're never gonna reproduce. It's gonna sit on their ass on the computer. Yeah, this is my current computer setup with the Linux operating system. Thanks for coming to watch this unboxing introduction video.